Hi, it's me, Face, and I'm making different kinds of sounds. Listen. Ding. Dong. Now let's go see what kind of sounds Allegra has in her sound jar today. Here are Nick Jr.
Read sound jars. Hey, Reed.
Oh, hey, Allegra.
Hi. Hey, what kind of sounds are we going to collect in our sound jars today?
I don't know, Allegra. Let's think.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, I know.
What?
We could look for sounds that.
Sounds that,
That's not right.
no.
No. Oh, I got it.
What?
We could collect sounds that.
That,
Oh, that's not it either.
Yowza! Whoa, me, yowza!
Me yowza! Bells!
Bells?
Yeah, let's collect bell sounds. You know, like your alarm clock, Riff, it's got a really loud bell.
Yeah, tell me about it, man.
Well, there are bell sounds all over the place. What do you say we go find some?
Yeah,
Perfecto idea.
All right, grab a sound jar and let's go.
Oh, boy,
Alrighty then.
I'll take the green one. I want to sing about things that ring.
I want to sing a song about things that go ding-dong.
Listen all around to the ting-a-ling sound.
Well, does that ring a bell? Does that ring a bell? Does that ring a bell? Well, does that ring a bell?
That rings a bell.
Hey, that rings a bell.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling.
Oh, that rings a bell. And that rings a bell. Well, does that ring a bell? Oh, yeah.
Does that ring a
Hey, it
bell?
does for me, man.
That ring a bell?
Ding-dong.
Does that ring a bell?
Wow, bells are everywhere, and they sound just like music. Oh, boy. And you know what? You don't even need sound jars to hear it. All you need are your ears.